Okay, so this unit is actually running, and you can hear a little bit of the noise that it makes in the background, which I should say is very, very low. Sometimes if you have it running, you don't even know that it's running because it doesn't make a lot of noise at all. Just to show you that it is running. So it's a very quiet unit. As far as the way that it works, it's pretty efficient for the most part. Because it's a compact unit, it does take a little bit longer to dry the clothes, because I'm used to, American 220 220 volt dryer that really puts out a lot of heat. This one is 110 volts, and it doesn't use a lot of power, but it does dry the clothes very well. So I'll put as much information in the details below, and that's it.